Watch this video to learn how to play line 3, the final line of Boots. This is the third lesson video in a series. Today we're taking a look at Boots, and this is our third lesson on this piece. We are going to be learning how to play this third line, which is the last line of the song. You should see something that's very familiar in these first three measures. Have you seen that before in this piece? Like maybe here? It's the same thing. You already should be good at playing this. We're going to come down the C scale, play 2 C's, 2 G's, and land on C, which is our accented note. Let's try that part together. Your hands are going to be where they've been the entire time. So your left hand pinky will be on middle C, and your right hand thumb will be an octave above it. 1, 2, ready, go. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. Good. Now there's a little change here. This time we have 2 rest beats before we start, and we also had 1 rest beat in the line before. So there's going to be 3 beats between the last note you played and this first note. We're going to count in 2 this time. We're going to say rest 2, and then we're going to start so that we get used to pausing there. 1, 2, ready, go, rest 2. T, 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 ta, 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 land. Good. Now watch what happens next. Did you see that? So my right hand came over my left and went down to the C that was below. And as soon as it got there, my left hand snuck under my right and went down to the C even lower. Let's try doing that together. Go ahead and put your hands where they've been the whole time, just in case you've moved them. We're going to pick up your right hand and make a rainbow over your left hand and bring it down to the next C. And now pull your left hand out and make it land with a nice cat landing on the C below that. Try it one more time. Hands back at the starting position. Here we go. Right hand rainbow over, land on C. Left hand scoot out, cat land on C. Okay, once you get there, you play the same thing that you were playing here. The thing is, you have to start this one while your left hand is moving. So we're going to try to do that now. Let's play the first one, the one that goes on top. 1, 2, ready, go, rest 2. T, 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 ta, 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 ta. Right hand over like a rainbow, start the scale, left hand sneaking. Now, if it wasn't smooth for you, if you had to pause and think about your hands moving, then you are typical, because it takes some time to learn how to do this. So this time we're going to try to put in little pauses, and then we'll take them back out. We're going to start at the beginning of the line, and we're going to take 2 beats in between each thing so that we can move your hand. 1, 2, ready, go, rest 2. Let's do it again one more time, just like that. 1, 2, ready, go, rest 2. Move. Move. Great. We're we're now going to try to make that move in one beat. 1, 2, ready, go, rest, 2. Move. Move. Good, let's do it like that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go, rest, 2. Move. Move. Good. Okay, now we're going to try to do it without taking rest beats. It will still sound a little delayed because usually you want to be moving your hand while the hand before is playing, which is the next thing we'll work on. But we're going to try to move quickly when it is time to play the part with the new hand. 1, 2, ready, go, rest, 2. Move. Move. Good. We're going to focus on the right hand going over while the left hand is playing this. So that's our focus this time. 1, 2, ready, go. Right hand starts to travel. Move. Great. If you need to, you can pause at any part here as we move through these steps. We're going to try the last step now, which is that when our right hand is doing this, we want our left hand to be moving to get ready during that. That's our focus. 1, 2, ready, go. Move. Okay, there's one last thing that I want to talk about with this line, and that is the dynamics. So the first phrase is mezzo forte, and the last phrase is piano. We have not been playing it piano so far because we have been focused on the movements, but we're going to try to make it quieter now. 1, 2, mezzo forte, rest, 2. Piano. Accent. And now you know everything you need to know to work on that last line.
Here is your practice plan for week 3 of Boots. You should set aside 5 minutes to play this piece every day, and here's how I would like you to fill that 5 minutes. First, practice line 3 specifically. Play it 3 times, and each time you're going to focus on one of the words that are in italics next to it. So focus on the correct notes, then focus on moving while you play it, and then focus on the dynamics. After that, I would like you to play first line 1 and then line 2 twice. You should know these lines well by now, so this is just to get you ready for the next step. When you are done playing those, you should spend the rest of the 5 minutes that you have playing the piece all the way through. That's it. You have finished this video, which means that you've learned how to play line 3 of Boots, and with that, you have finished the note acquisition phase for the entire piece. Great work, and thank you for watching.